patients also ask, how can I really get pregnant without a surgery? So this is of course a very difficult question to answer, and it's different for different women. No two patients are the same here. When a woman comes with a sonography saying she has an endometrioma or a cyst, which could be due to endometriosis, we usually advise to take out the cyst, especially if it is more than about 3 or 4 centimeters. But it's also very important to actually put in a camera, we call it laparoscopy, and actually see what is there in the pelvis, because the cyst is just one part or one component of endometriosis. Endometriosis, we've seen that if a woman has a cyst, then usually the other ovary is also affected, the pelvis is affected, there's adhesions that are there, the tubes might be affected. So one, it's good to diagnose what is the extent of the disease and also try and correct as much as possible. So all this can be done by laparoscopy. And the other thing is try and separate all the adhesions so that the woman has as little pain as possible during intercourse and even after conception. Now, usually when we tell a woman that you undergo surgery, there is of course some apprehension, and usually a woman and the couple or the family doesn't really want to go surgery, and the usual question is, can this be done with medicines? So yes, it is possible. A good diet, a good relaxed life, elevating the stress levels, being a little calm, doing yoga, having a good nutritious diet do help to some extent, but this is easier said than done. We all lead very hectic lives, and endometriosis is not really alleviated by these to a large extent. We then also have certain medications which are hormonal medications, and they can be given for maybe a few months, sometimes up even longer. But remember, medications do it to a certain extent also. They are not a permanent solution. And endometriosis is one condition where this can come back once these medicines are stopped. Some of these medicines are in the form of oral tablets, others are in the form of injections. Some of them cause menopause-like state. That means a woman may not get her periods. And this, of course,